Hey guys, long time no vlog. It's been a month before I posted anything here again, but yeah, I've just been busy with a lot of things. That includes my cookie business, and we also moved another apartment again. It took me a month to clean everything and to place everything, so yeah. And by the way, one of those things is this painting. This painting is my entry for this year's GSI's art competition, and this is under the non-representational category. So that competition is actually nationwide, and it has 3 categories. The first one is the representational category, which is a theme. And the second one is the non-representational category, which I joined, and it's more on abstract paintings. And the third one, and the last one, is sculpture. And I think they also have a theme for that about pandemic. I'm not totally sure, but yeah, those are the 3 categories for the competition. Well, actually, it's really a good thing that GSI has extended the submission of entries, because if not, I won't be able to join it. I already have my papers ready. All I need to do is just to pack this and book Lalamove or any other available couriers to submit this to GSIS. So I guess this vlog is just about me preparing all the things I needed to submit, and I'll also just walk you through some of the things I'm doing, because I'm planning to create another page or start selling big paintings, like abstract paintings or wall arts. That is actually all inspired by this painting. So yeah, I'll let you guys see those things. And it's actually 4 a.m. now, so I have to sleep, and tomorrow I'll pack everything, and I also be finishing some of the canvases that I worked on last night, because I'm just waiting for the primer, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Successfully submitted my entry for the GSIS, and I also have created the account that I'm telling you guys. It's on Instagram. It's @art. So I'm planning to post everything that is, or all of the paintings that are for sale. So I just separated it from my MaeSomething account, because I just want any available paintings to be just in one feed. So if someone just want to scroll everything that is for sale, then they can just check it out there. I already posted the GSIS entry. It's just like it's not for sale though yet, but I just posted it there because it's simply the inspiration why I created that page and why I started doing abstract paintings. As of the moment, I'm creating some clips for the vlog, so it's right there. And I also created another painting for I'm planning to like have an auction for it, because I don't know how much am I gonna sell it for. So yeah, I also posted it on Instagram. I did not mention any minimum amount. I just try to do it that way to see if people will be encouraged to approach me and ask how much it is. I actually posted on my story that the last day for the bidding is June 8th, but I actually changed my mind and extended to June 15th. There are some people drilling outside, so if you can hear those noise, I do apologize, but I'll try to retract them as much as I could on the editing process. But for now, while waiting, I need to create canvases for my next collection. These are the canvases that I already made. Sorry for the background noise. I'm about to wrap them with a stretch canvas, and let me just get this. I've got a new set of canvas cloth. Okay, but wait, I can't start yet because we're going to the grocery store. So I'm postpone this and I'll do the canvases later. I actually cannot vlog that well because there's a lot of noises outside. There is someone drilling here, then there are dogs barking. But yeah, maybe I will just be doing a time lapse. There are really times that I want to vlog, but the environment won't let me. Oh guys, it's raining! So there's actually a lot going on right now here on my studio because see that it's kind of messy, and these are actually the 4 canvases that I should have worked on last night, but yeah, I wasn't able to do that. But I already primed one here, and what I'm going to do today is to cover the braces of canvas cloth. So if you guys also plan to work on or create your own canvas, I'll be sharing you the link of the Shopee account where I bought my canvas cloth. With the paluchina, I actually bought this in Marketplace, but most probably you can find this on your local hardware store. I'll work on this now kasi hapon na wala pa ako nagagawa. So yeah, let's go! Tried to make a calling card, so this is just one of the templates I made because there's actually, I believe, 7 of them. This is just like, as you can see, it's so simple. And then what I'm planning to do is to have the back painted, and I already primed it with Versatex, so as you can see it has textures in it. But after that I'll just cut them, and there you go. It actually looks so flimsy at this moment, but when I tried to cut one of them, it's actually thick. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I actually just made an abstract painting at the back of this printed paper where I printed my calling cards. So there, textured, bro. So yeah, let me just cut this. So yeah, this is what I've done for the past couple of weeks, and I'm really glad the painting has been sold for a fair price. I'm also excited to create the next collection because that's gonna be like a challenging set for me because it's gonna be textured, and I'll be doing impasto painting for that. And I hope you can check those paintings at mayhandayan.art, and I'll be posting some of the behind the scenes at MaeSomething. That's the main account. I hope you enjoyed our video for today, and please don't forget to like, share, and comment if you have any questions or suggestions for our next video or for today's video. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and may we all have a good day. Bye!